Yo, it's Chiusfy, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna share my recreation of Nadav's impact and the beat shakes with you. Here is an example. If you want to get a preset, I left the link in the description. So first things first, you have to go to the download link and get the presets in the project file. Now I'm gonna show you how to use the preset. Open the FX tab. Right click on the presets and click import presets. Choose the preset and click open. Now you need to create the adjustment layer. Right click on the free space here, create new adjustment layer. That's it. Drag it on the video timeline, make it last exactly 2 seconds. Go to the first frame of the adjustment layer, click on the time thingy and type +100, put the marker. Search the brand new preset called Nadav Impact, drag it on the adjustment layer. And now you could ask me, why should I create the adjustment layer? Why can't I just drag the preset straight on the clip? And the reason is the Premiere Pro feature, which confuses the keyframe position, so do it like I do. Put markers on the song, put a clip and drag your adjustment layer in the position where markers fit to each other. Cut the clip where the adjustment layer starts. Copy the adjustment layer, right click on the clip and click paste preferences. Now drag one more adjustment layer on the video timeline and reduce it till 17 frames. Put this layer after the kill. Find the preset called NadavRGB and apply it on the layer. That's all. The second thing I wanted to share is the beat shake. This is not the preset, so we're gonna get it in the different way. Download the project file called beat shake from the link down below and just drag it in the place where you have your clips. Click OK. Open the bin dropdown, double click on the beat shake sequence. Here are a couple adjustment layers. The bottom one is shake, middle one is RGB, and the top one is a leaf color effect. I left it just in case you like to use it. All you're gonna do is just drag it somewhere where you're gonna have the beat shake. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you got to this moment, just know that you are the best people. Please like and subscribe and follow my socials. Bye.